certified to be good social skillers in this particular event. Everybody, to my count, you have to throw your imaginary libation out. On my count, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and shout! Yeah! Thank you. And for my last slide, so some words to live by. Hindi naman dapat. Kadili lang. Okay, great. So, I want everybody to please read together. Wait, 1, 2, ready, go. Exemplary social skills in the office.
As a blend of good breeding, cultural awareness, and respect, serving as a cornerstone cohesive and thriving corporate culture.
With that, ladies and gentlemen, this is Chandy saying, have a wonderful evening and thank you.
I don't thank you. Thank you, Juan. Actually, pamulit na mo, wala pa rin hapon. Without, thank you. Salamat sa inyong cooperation. I truly like and love